What's your name?
What's your name?
Kuplay Kaploy.
Kupal ka. Sabi niya kupal ka.
Blackboy.
No.
Blackboy, no.
Iba ba yan?
Kuplay Kuploy.
Ay,
Kuploy,
Blackboy.
kuploy.
May puno sa mga Thailander po dyan na meron kong kilala na.
O kami kakilala na ano?
Ha?
Kuplay Kuploy.
Kuplay, kuploy.
Kuploy, kuploy
Kaya
daw.
Kuplay, kuploy daw. Yung pangalan. So, naris ko namin.
Ano ka mo? Nabisa. Nabisa. Kuha.
Lagi. Si pala mo. Hindi lagi. Intindi. What's your name?
Kumplako.
Kumplako.
Hindi ko maintindihan yung sinasabi niyan.
Kumplako.
Huwag dyan. Sige na lang. Ah!
Lagi.
Dali.
Nitak mo. Tara. Ay, kamera lang. Tara. Where are you from?
I'm from Thailand.
Ah, Thailander.
Nagtailan na siya.
Thailander ba na?
Dito.
Kuplay Kaploy.
Dito ka nang kontago kayo. Pasok dali ah. May tattoo pa siya oh.
Bad boy siguro to.
Isukili siguro ba? Nakpan lang. Kurtahan guro ng buwangan eh.
Mayaman siguro to, mayaman.
Dira to.
Tama na siya.
Dira to. Kaya para makaling-kuling ko ta dira.
Dili.
Dira to.
Ayan, ang batao eh. Ano ba to? Ano to? Nasa rock. Rock.
The Rock. Yung wrestler. The Rock. Ano ba yun?
Maarte pa to, maarte.
Ate.
Eh, hindi mo
Come
masama.
on.
Ano ba yan siya?
Ano, Thailander ka?
Thailander ka?
Yes. Kuplay Kaploy.
Thailander ka to?
Kuploy. Kuploy.
Ay, kuhan ka, Gustes kanila?
Yes.
Yes, ay. English, dapat English.
English na ba ito nila?
How many days you are in the forest?
Little bit English.
Little bit English.
Kuplay. Kuplay.
Ano, boy or little boy?
Boy.
Ah, boy.
Boy pa na to, boy.
What's your name?
What's your name?
Kuplay Kaploy.
Kupal ka. Sabi niya kupal ka.
Blackboy.
No.
Blackboy, no.
Iba ba yan?
Kuplay Kuploy.
Ay,
Kuploy.
May puno sa mga Thailander po dyan na meron kong kilala
O
na.
kami kakilala na ano?
Ha?
Kuplay Kuploy.
Kuplay, kuploy.
Kuploy daw.
Kuplay, kuploy daw. Yung pangalan. So, naris ko namin. Pinustod ng mga bihag. Kuplay. What's your age? Ay,
How old are you?
how old are you?
27.
Ito si Binoy.
27.
Matanda na pala to.
You have many money.
Yes.
Uy.
Hindi man eh.
Kuplay.
Joke lang. How
Can you
old
guess?
is you?
Ask the money.
Kuplay.
Huh?
Kuplay no. Now.
Oh.
Kuplay daw. Kuplay.
Ow.
Ano? Ano sabi niya?
Bakit yung tinga niya?
Ano sa tuloy nga? Pero hindi sinabi. Hindi. Parang hindi naman yan eh. Hindi naman yan.
Elsa.
Ha?
Kuloy. Eh.
Ay ko kaya daw.
Masakit yung tinga. Baka binaril siguro yung tinga niya.
Di ka sa niyang langoy daw.
Ha?
Di ka sa niyang langoy.
Ano? Masakit. Your air is...
No.
Hurt?
No. Fly. Number fly. Call.
Ay!
Hey, cool.
Ice, cold ice, water?
Call. Dad.
Cool.
Ay, dad!
Dad.
Oh,
Wow, dad.
Call dad.
What?
Money. Call dad.
What
Money.
number your dad? What number?
Seven. Talan.
7 ka na. I eat 7,000 Jollibee delivery. Yan ba yun?
No, 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 no.
Jollibee? Sa Jollibee?
No, no Jollibee.
No Jollibee. No Jollibee.
Call dad.
Call
What's the
that.
number of your dad?
You have no load.
Uh,
You have a load. I don't.
924 364 943. Yeah, that's.
Ano lang, yung sa amin kasi dito, sa our number is here is 09, start of 09.
Ah, okay, okay.
The number of the Philippines is it begin of 09. What's the number of your dad of the Philippines? Your father is in the Philippines?
No, no.
What? I mean, where?
My father, Thailander.
What the fuck?
Katawa.
Nakatawa ako kasi, ibang lingwahe kasi. Your father is a Thailander.
Yes,
And you,
yes.
why you here in the Philippines?
I'm employed.
Huh?
I'm employed.
What? Before that?
I'm kidnapped. Employed.
Huh?
Kidnapped.
Before you're not kidnapped, you're doing...
I'm traveler. I'm a traveler.
Ah, traveler
what's
pala
you
siya.
doing here?
I'm a traveler in the world. Employed, apply, apply.
Okay, so
Fly, ba't reply na siya?
we're gonna to help this. This is a
You want to go home?
Yes, yes, yes.
You have money?
So
Yes, I have a lot of money.
money?
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Call my dad.
Congratulations.
What's your name?
My name is John Lee Cruz.
Janoy.
John, Ghost John. Yeah. Yes. You have a mini tattoo. What's the kind of tattoo?
Yes, yes. This is a symbol.
What the symbol of?
That.
Kuplo, kapnan ka ng ploy.
No, I don't understand Thailand.
Hindi.
English. Yeah, English. Explain me that other English.
No, English. Kuplo,
Hindi kayo makakaintindihan yan.
Tama lang ploy. Ploy.
Oh,
First floor na, first floor. Okay. Ano yan?
ant.
You bite a ant?
Eat that?
You can eat that. The cacao. It's so delicious.
Ploy.
Kumari lang to siguro ba?
Ako to sa akin pag nagunwari ito. Ako to sa akin pag nagunwari. Ako to talaga sa akin. Ako sa akin pag nagunwari lang to.
We're going to home now?
Yes.
Do you want to go home?
Ploy.
Let's go.
Huh?
Go.
Let's go.
Go.
Oh, let's go.
That's your favorite fruit in the Philippines?
Cacao. Oh, let's go.
Halatang...
Sarapan. Ikaw yung ano?
Smell good.
That's good. That's
Ploy.
cacao.
Cacao.
Yes.
That's cacao. Cacao and busaw cow.
Cacao.
That cacao and busaw cow.
Cacao.
What's your name ulit? What happened?
Ploy.
Ah, you have a
Ploy.
sore throat.
Ubo.
My name Kapnor.
Ay, kapoy.
Cup noodles. No. Go.
There.
Yeah.
Here.
Rest. Yes. Plop.
Pakolokpak.
We have to go home now
We
because
have to go home now.
it's so tired.
Let's go.
Let's go!